Now we have just come to a very nice resort, Klong Hin Beach Resort, down in the south of Koh Kood. Hi, Peter's here. So we wanted to see the beach here, but I'm not sure if the beach belongs to the resort, but we are actually in the resort and nobody has told us anything yet. It's a nice resort, so let's take a walk along the beach, along the resort a little bit, yes, before we move on. Nice. It's nice here. Oh boy, look at that. Oh man, seriously? That's the bridge? Alright, that's not gonna happen. Unfortunately, we won't get to that beach over there. Boy. Okay, we're not gonna risk it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Yeah. But look at this. There is a beautiful tree I want to show you. I don't know if you can see it. We will see in that video, but look. It's like a small imitation of the big tree from Avatar movie. Oh yeah, I know. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but it is beautiful. Seriously, the tree is beautiful. So we are moving on. So we got to a Klong Hin waterfall, and there isn't much water in January, and I did a little bit of climbing, and I am at the top. It's dry here. Looks nice though. Such big rocks. Wow, I'll show you. Look. So I'm curious what it must look like when there is more water. Wow. Must be impressive. Now it's mostly dry. A little water here. Alright. And now we have to figure out how to get down. Right. Okay. Let's go down somehow. It's nice. Wow. Okay. So we've got to be careful not to get injured. Right. Here we go. Alright. Let's have some adventure. Okay. Oh la la. Step by step. Slowly, carefully. We need to get down. And we believe, I'm talking like gloom in the Lord of the Rings. I say we instead of I. Alright. Here we go. Yes, I did. I came this way. Okay, and now we need to get over there, and very slowly and very carefully just slide along the big rock here. Got it. Okay, so good today, so good today. You haven't finished yet, man. You haven't finished yet. So, stop talking and pay attention. Pay goddamn attention before you kill yourself. Here on Koh Kood in Thailand. Well, it's better to die here than on D1 in the Czech Republic. D1 is the goddamn motorway. Terrible in the Czech Republic. Okay.